Yes, guys. Okay. So, any questions? Yeah, someone is asking like how we are having limitations that we cannot touch other servers. In the same way, other team members also cannot touch other servers. Windows team also cannot interfere in the network activities and all. Network team cannot interfere Windows activities. DBA team cannot interfere network activities. DBA team cannot interfere in the storage activities. So everyone will have a specific set of instructions, specific set of protocols that they can maintain only their environment. They cannot touch others' environment unless and until you are an all-rounder, that you are working for a small company like a startup company. There might be a SQL DBA has to perform activities related to the Windows also. In that case, you might have access. But if you go to a big company or a normal medium company also, every team will have its own responsibility. That one team cannot touch other team's responsibility and activities, guys. Clear? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes. Any other questions, guys, please? Any other questions? Any questions? Any doubts?
Sir, one more question, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, if suppose the issue is from network team, but the
Okay.
application team is asking that there is an issue from database after as a DBA, after checking the issues, if there is no issue from database, do I need to check where the issue is from as a DBA?
See, that's what I'm saying. They will argue with us. No, no, no. That's not my issue. That is your issue. That is your fault only. Okay. Our database team will blame application team. No, no, no. Nothing is there from my side. That is your. There is issue from your side only. So it's very common. Make sure if application team is keep on saying no, no issue from the application team. Issues there from the database team only. If they are keep saying the same thing, again I'm saying, do the health checks. If there is a really an issue is there, definitely you can came to know the issue in the health checks. Okay. Health checks means whether server is up and running or not, whether the database is online or not. Okay. Whether any transactions are running or not. These things we have to check, whether the enough free space is there in the drives or not. These things we have to check. If we don't see anything in the database side, you can simply tell them there is no issue from the database side. You can tell them like that. If still they are arguing, you have to send the screenshots and all, tell them that there is no issue from the database side. That's it. Otherwise, still they are saying we cannot interfere in the network activities. We can request them, please check with the network team and all. We can just request them, that's it. But we cannot interfere in their activities and all. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Any other questions, please? Any questions, please? No questions?
No, it's
Chalo.
okay.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So chalo, let's continue this. Where is this? SQL preparation. Right. Okay. So where the software will be used, you have an idea right now. At least you have an idea where we are going to use the software and all, right? Right. So duties and activities of a DBA. These are the duties that we are going to perform as a DBA. We are going to perform. These are the duties. Okay. I'll explain these duties the evening. Okay, evening we have a session, right? It will take almost all again half an hour like that to explain all these things. So we'll discuss these things in the evening, guys. Right, fine. So from the for US people it's morning. Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, 7 p.m. IST. Right. So duties and activities. What a DBA will do in the organization. What kind of activities he has to perform. Daily activities. Why? Because this is very important in the interview. They will ask you what is your daily activities in your organization. So you have to respond. Okay, what we are going to do regularly in the organization. So duties and activities. I'm going to explain you. I'm going to explain you. Okay, in the evening, guys. Okay. Right. Fine. Just 1 minute, guys. I'll be back. Just 1 minute. Right. Okay. So the duties, what he is going to perform from day one onwards, what he is going to do, all these things we'll discuss in the evening, guys. Right. So let's discuss about the course and all, plan and all, the program and all. So course duration we have already discussed in the beginning. How many days we are going to connect for SQL DBA and Azure SQL DBA. And yes, this is very important. Who can learn this course, guys? Okay. Who can learn this course? Everyone, those who are having interest towards IT, everyone can learn if you are having one degree or at least diploma. Diploma holders or graduates, okay, can learn this. Either you are a BTech
Sir,
graduate or
your audio is on mute, sir. Please unmute.
uh, guys, can you hear me?
No, no, I am audible.
Yes, I can.
Right? Can you please check? Might be there is an issue from your side. Please check it. Okay. Right. Okay. Thank you for the confirmation, guys. Okay. So everyone can learn this course, guys. Again, the minimum criteria is at least you should have one diploma, or you should be a graduate, a degree graduate, or a BTech graduate is fine. Okay. Everyone can learn. Only thing is that you are very much interested towards the IT, and if you are from non-technical background, if you want to jump to IT, database is a very good interface to jump to IT initially. You might have interest in some other technologies, I agree. Okay, but choose a database technology. At least first you can jump into the IT sector. There, once you are comfortable, then try to learn your own technology, in which technology you are interested. It is easy. Okay, it is easy to be placed in the tech IT field with the help of this particular, that too a SQL DBA technology. Oracle and all, again you will have programming, and you should have Linux language and all. Okay, you should have I mean, like, not language, you should have knowledge on the Linux operating system and all. You choose Oracle. So that is the main thing. MySQL, only with MySQL you might not get a good opportunities, big opportunities and all. So SQL database, MS SQL DB especially will help you, okay, to switch your career from your, okay, whatever you're working now, whatever you're doing now, from your particular current situation to IT field. It will help you. It will act as a bridge between your current okay, role and your particular IT field. You can simply switch using a database technology. As it is simple, that you know, lot of competition will be there. Questions and all is same. Whatever we are going to discuss, the same questions they are going to ask you in the interview. But how much you're comfortable, how much your confidence, there you are going to get some success, guys. Okay, the same question, same thing, everything same. Okay, so if you go to the interview, the same kind of questions will be there. It's very simple to crack the interview, but as it is simple, okay, they will see a confidence in you, how confident you are, how much, like, if you are practicing regularly, you can elaborate the answers. Okay, so that's why, as it is a simple technology, lot of competition will be there. So you have to, like, it's not like once you enrolled for the course, or once you completed the course, you can get the job. Not like that. You should practice daily. You have to spend 3 hours or 4 hours. How many years you want to keep experience? You want to put 3 years experience, practice 3 hours per day. You want to put 4 years experience, practice 4 hours per day. You want to put 5 hours 5 years experience, practice 5 hours per day. So what will be there to practice 5 hours? Believe me, lot of things. 5 hours also not enough to practice one topic. It's not enough. It's not like whatever I'm doing, simply following me, okay, and doing the things. No, try to explore, then only you can came to know. Every practice, you are going to learn lot of new things, guys. Believe me, very beautiful subject it is. You will love the subject, you will get interest. Lot of things we are going to discuss, you will get interest, but you have to elaborate, you have to explore the things. Try to create your own errors. Try to do the things wrongly, so that it will generate the error. Try to keep a separate notes for each error. Okay, for selecting this option, so I got this error. Okay, so I just troubleshooted or fixed this error like this by selecting another option. Try to prepare your own error base, guys. You should, if you want to, not forget about SQL server. If you want to be good in technology, any technology, only the primary qualification you should have is preparing the proper documentation. If you want to be achieve something, okay, definitely you should be good in the documentation, guys. If you are good in documentation, believe me, you can also become one trainer. Believe me, after 2 years, 3 years, you can become one trainer. Documentation is very important. Organize the things properly. I am going to give you the notes and all. Create separate folder, keep the notes in the folders. Try to prepare your own notes. I just discussed all these things. Explore in other websites and all. Try to add some extra points to that particular notes. Practice it, practice it, practice it. Once you are very perfect in the practice, 4 times, 5 times, okay, if you practiced, then automatically you can open your mouth. If you practice one day, chalo, practice is completed for today, let's go to sarkar varpata. Nothing like that, it won't work. Okay, so again I'm saying try to practice 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. Okay, how many times you want, you can practice, but how many times you are practicing, you will be comfortable with the language and you will get confidence, guys. Only confidence matters. Forget about the subject. Only confidence matters. When you will get the confidence, if you practice daily, then only you will get the confidence. Okay, so again, everyone who is having diploma and graduates are eligible for this course. And the main thing is dedication, guys. How much you are dedicated, definitely you can achieve. So you don't believe me, guys. A lot of people, okay, came from different backgrounds. There, a lot of my students are there. Some of them are Ola drivers, Uber drivers, delivery boys. You don't believe me, okay? So now they are earning 10 lakhs per annum, 12 lakhs per annum, guys. I am not saying that is my success. I am saying that is your success. Okay, it's my regular responsibility giving lectures, giving classes and all daily. That won't give any difference to me. But your life is going to change, guys. Yesterday you are a delivery boy, today you are an IT employee. So your practice matters, your practice matters, your practice matters. Again, I'm saying how much practice you are going to do. And believe me, if you practice one more time extra, you will get one more like extra package. Why? Because you will be that much confident. So your package, your job, everything depends on your practice, guys. I know every batch out of 100 people, 10 or 20 people will take it as serious, or 5 people or 10 people will take it as serious. Those people can be succeeded. Those people will get the job within 2-3 months once the course is completed. Remaining people, they will keep trying. That's okay. I can understand. Again, we have to get time also. We should be in luck also. We should get luck also. Okay, I can understand. But at least to get the luck, once you got the job, you cannot lose the job, right? So you should be good in subject. Okay, and of course there are a lot of other different ways also there to get the job, but I don't encourage all those things. Guys, is it clear my voice? Seems people are facing some audio issues. Is it clear, guys, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
clear, sir.
Yes,
It is
okay.
clear.
Okay, those who are facing audio issues, please reconnect. Okay, please don't mind and please reconnect to the session. Right, and this is very important. Again, I'm saying practice is very important, guys. How to practice? As discussed, prepare a proper documentation. Try to prepare everything proper. Of course, sir, are you going to provide the notes or not? 100% I'll provide the notes. Believe me, whatever you are going to, okay, search in the Google and all, I'll provide more than that only. Definitely I'll provide a lot of stuff and all, but it's not like something you are going to get the notes, okay, and something what you can say, you are going to keep it in a folders and all. You should be, okay, refer the notes regularly, and you have to practice it daily, guys. Okay, I'm going to provide the notes, softwares, everything. Whatever I want to do, I can do from my side without having any issues. But my sincere suggestions, just don't keep it in a folders, and after course again don't open the folders. Don't try to, okay, practice daily. Try to refer the notes daily and all. Okay, so that's how you have to practice, guys. And again, practice means whatever I am saying. Of course, first time, second time, just follow me. Third time, try to explore, try to practice in a different way, so that you can learn extra knowledge and all. Lab setup and prerequisites for setting up the labs, guys. We should have at least, okay, at least for completing all the topics in the SQL servers, at least 8 GB to 12 GB RAM is needed, guys. 8 GB to 12 GB RAM is needed. Okay, we should have a laptop with 8 to 12 GB storage, 100 GB free space is enough. Storage 100 GB free space is enough. I hope you know what is RAM and storage, but if you don't know, again I'll explain, nothing to worry. Storage 100 GB free space is enough, but RAM, if you want to practice 8 to 12 GB, 8 to 12 GB, okay, is important. And Windows machines, not Mac and all, Windows OS only. Okay, we are going to practice it on Windows operating systems, Windows laptop, I mean to say. So not MacBooks and all. MacBooks you can practice for some of the concepts, but not all concepts, guys. Sir, if I have 4 GB, can I practice? Yes, practice, but not all topics. You can practice. You're able to practice, but not all the topics. Okay. So if you want to, but sir, do I need to upgrade my RAM immediately? No. Take 2 weeks time. Okay. Buy a second-hand RAM. Second-hand RAM, it will be hardly 1,000 rupees. Okay, or if you go for 4 GB, it will be 1,000 rupees. If you go for 8 GB, it will go for, okay, something around 1,500 rupees. Second hand RAMs. And before upgrading your RAM, check your RAM is DDR3 or DDR4 RAM. If your laptop is old laptop, you might use DDR3. If your laptop is a new laptop, DDR4 RAMs. Check how many slots are there. Okay, based on that, try to buy extra RAM. If you want to go for new RAMs, okay, hardly you have to invest 1,500 to 2,500 for the new RAMs, guys. You can upgrade at any time, but not immediately. After 2 weeks also you can upgrade. Initially some days we can practice with 4 GB, but after that we should have 8 GB to practice, 8 to 12 GB to practice, guys. So please prepare your laptop accordingly. Sir, is laptop important? No, it's not important if you don't want to practice. It is important if you want to practice and if you want to get the job. Okay, so very important, guys, practice you cannot miss. So it's very important. So that is, and I'll show you how to set up the lab in your laptop. Okay, every topic we'll discuss. We are going to use Oracle VirtualBox softwares like this. We'll create Oracle VMs, virtual machines in our laptop. Okay, I'll tell you, I'll help you how to do that. So you can create VMs and all. You can play with the VMs. These are the last batch VMs, guys. Okay, these are the batch 42 VMs, batch 42 VMs, and batch 43 VMs also you can see here. Okay, so based on that, you can for this what we should have is we should have the laptop, proper laptop setup and all we should have. So based on that, we can configure the laptop. I mean, like the things and all, Oracle VMs and all. I'll help you how to do that from very beginning step onwards, from very basics onwards. So nothing to worry. Lab practice, again, you cannot miss the practice and all. If you miss the practice, it is very difficult, guys. Okay, right, fine. So set prerequisites, you know, right? 8 to 12 GB RAM, 100 GB storage you should have to practice the things. Softwares and notes I am going to provide, guys. I am going to give you the links, Google Drive links. Those who enrolled for the course, okay, for them you are going to get a Google Drive link. You can download the softwares and then you can practice, okay, the softwares and all. Don't keep the softwares, okay, here and there. Prepare a proper folder, create a proper folder, keep the softwares, just create one folder called batch 44 in your laptop, and then notes one folder, softwares one folder, practice one folder, like that. Create separate folders. Next time no need to search where the documents, where the labs, where the softwares. You cannot waste, don't waste the time in searching the things. If you are organizing the things properly from day one onwards, in the organization also you can organize the things properly. Okay, it should be a professionalism. Okay, right, softwares and all notes I'm going to provide, guys. Always welcome. If you are going to prepare a neat notes from day one onwards, that is always welcome. And I'll give you an offer for all of you. If you are preparing a very good notes, your notes will be the reference for the next batch. This offer for every batch I'll give, but some people are going to take it as a serious, some people don't take this as a serious. But believe me, until the next guy is going to prepare a proper notes, your notes will take it as a reference for the, okay, next batch, guys. Until how many batches, a very good transcript is there when compared to your notes, only your notes will be followed for the next batch. Okay, of course I'll give my own notes, that's a different thing. Okay, so softwares and notes I'm going to provide you. Meeting softwares that will be used and recordings. So we are going to connect using this Zoom meetings. using this Zoom. It's not technical, guys. That's why going a little bit fast. Okay, we'll connect regularly using Zoom meetings, guys. The same meeting link is there. Whatever I just provided to you, you can use the same meeting link till further communication. Okay, so what is the meeting link for the evening, guys?
Same meeting.
Same meeting. Okay, so again, sir, what is the meeting link? What is the no separate meeting and all. Until further communication, same meeting link will be there. We are going to connect in the same meeting link, guys. Okay, you can use the same meeting link until further communication. Recordings, as discussed earlier, every record will be okay. Every session will be recorded, and some of them are uploaded to the YouTube. You can directly access from the batch 44 playlist. Okay, first thing. Second thing is some other videos, advanced concepts and all, I am going to share, okay, to your Gmail IDs so that you can access those video recordings and all, guys. This is all about your class recordings. Okay, doubts and exercise, guys. I'm not sure whether okay, other trainers, as again I'm saying, I'm not like other trainers, chalo just take the money, okay, or whatever lecture is there, deliver the lecture, nothing like that. I'm a kind of serious trainer, guys. I want to be my students at least more than a basic knowledge. You should have basic knowledge, at least more than a basic knowledge you should have after completing this course. At least you should be able to manage the things by your own when compared to SQL Server. Okay, so that's why I'm very serious about the course, and I'll give you some exercises every class, every session. I'm going to give you some exercises, guys. Believe me, these exercises are interview questions. These exercises are issues that you are going to face in the organization. Every topic I'll give assignments, exercises. Please follow those assignments as exercises and all. Okay, and these as exercise will help you to clear the interviews as well as to manage your work also. So that kind of exercise I'm going to give you, guys. I am very serious about the exercise, so it's not like connecting and disconnecting the classes. I'll check whether you are completing the assignments or not. Okay, it's not needed, but again I'm saying it's not like what we can say, teaching is not like a kind of duty to me. It's like a passion to me. So definitely I'm going to check assignments, exercise and all. It's going to waste my time, but again that's ethic, okay, towards the course, guys. Okay, I'm going to follow. Right, speaker series, guys. This is very important, speaker series and all. Speaker series, a lot of speakers will come from other companies, managers will come, team leads will come, those who got the job in the last batch, they are also going to come. They are going to take a 15 to 20 minutes or 30-minute sessions. They are going to share their views, their thoughts, how they succeeded. Students are going to share those views, their views and all. That is one thing. And the managers, they are going to share how they are going to scrutiny the resumes, what kind of things they are looking to the candidate while taking the interviews. And if possible, I'll try to take one HR also, how HR is going to scrutiny the resumes, what basic things, what basic questions they will ask during the initial screening process. Okay, so what HR questions you have, all the things are going to be addressed in the HR speaker series. And this speaker series, guys, I'll try to bring 5 speakers, 4 to 5 speakers, 1 2 students from the different batches, and 1 2 technical leads, okay, and managers, and 1 HR. I'll try to, okay, bring those resources. I'll try to make available those resources. So not now, immediately at the end of the classes. Okay, if the classes are going to end in 1 or 2 weeks, I'll try to take the speaker series, guys. Each day one person will connect with you, and he is going to share his views and all. Okay, that is about your speaker series, guys. Okay, so job preparation in this course, okay, I'm going to explain how we have to prepare for the job and all. Okay, what we have to do after the course. Okay, everything I'm going to explain. Even though once you got the job, how to behave with your colleagues, how professionally you have to be, everything I'm going to explain in our classes, guys. So slowly we learn the things. And again I'm saying, initially it will be a spoon feeding kind of thing. And again I'm saying, you're all my, okay, friends. Okay, it's not like once you pay the money or once the course is completed, we are going to disconnect, nothing like that. From this moment onwards, okay, you are my friend. Okay, so definitely I'll be with you until you are succeeded. In your success also I'll be there. After success also I'll be there with you until, okay, you are until you we are maintaining a good relationship. Okay, so I'll be there to help you guys. Again I'm saying, only one thing I'm looking is dedication, guys. Please be dedicated from the day one onwards. Okay, so that is all about the course. In the evening session we are going to discuss about the activities, what DBA activities and all will be there, and then slowly we'll try to learn the things, guys. What are the SQL Server versions are there? What are the Windows Server versions are there? So I'll try to explain in this document, okay, with examples and all. So this is how it will follows, guys, in the evening. Okay, from the evening onwards, this is how it will follows, guys. So now this is now it's your turn. Let me know if you have any questions and all. Okay, now it's almost 9:30 as promised. Okay, if you have questions, please let me know. If you don't have questions, you can disconnect, guys. You can use the same link again. It's not going to be changed again. No new meeting link will be communicated. The same meeting link directly you can connect it today evening at 7 p.m., guys. Okay, continuation will be there. Yes, please. Any questions?
Is this a Microsoft SQL or
Microsoft,
MySQL or?
Microsoft, not MySQL. Yes, there is a confusion. Sometimes you will get a calls for MySQL calls also you will get. Okay, clearly I'm saying it's MS SQL, which is Microsoft SQL Server DBA. Even though you are getting a call, okay, while you are getting calls, first of all ask them which DBA they are looking for. They will tell a lot of other DBAs, MySQL, NoSQL, Oracle, Mongo, like that. Tell them that you are you have a knowledge in your profile is belongs to MS SQL and Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, this is completely belongs to Microsoft SQL Server.
Okay, is this what I mean is that Oracle virtual machine we are using?
Yes, we'll use.
So
Okay, you might get confused. See, for creating VMs, Oracle is providing one software. VMs means virtual machines. Okay, for
yeah,
creating virtual machines, Oracle is providing one software. We can create virtual machines using Oracle VM software, or I guess everyone knows this. This is the famous one, which is that VMware. Okay, you can use VMware, Oracle VM, or Hyper-V from Microsoft again. So we are going to use Oracle virtual machine softwares to create VMs. That doesn't mean I'm going to teach Oracle DBA. No, only to create VMs, I'm going to use Oracle VM software. That's it.
okay, fine.
I'm going to share that course content, Jugal. Okay, so nothing to worry. What things and all we are going to discuss. I'll share the course content, and in the evening, I'll send you one Google form. In the evening class, I'll send you one Google form. There you can explain, guys. Treat this as one demo session. Evening also one demo session. The sessions will continue again. There is no separate sessions and all. The sessions will continue. This is class one. Okay, 3 4 sessions are there, like evening also you can connect. So this day today, whole demo class. Tomorrow also you can still, tomorrow morning also you can treat it as a demo class, 3 demo classes as promised. By tomorrow evening you have to confirm. Yes, please. Any other questions?
Hi Sanmuk,
Yes.
this is Jagan. So Sanmuk, I have close to 6 years of experience as a database developer.
Okay.
So is your training going to be like a basic level or a little at an advanced level?
See,
Is it
very good question. See, it's not basic level, Jagan. Why? Because I'm going to like here 27 years, 28 years, 30 years people will be there. So basic level won't help them. Okay, so at least they are looking for a 4 years, 5 years experience. So my training, seriously, I'm saying you can keep 6 years, 7 years also, but 6 7 means they will expect a lot of things related to the performance and all, performance tuning and all. So max you can keep for 5 years. Okay, so we are going to discuss up to L3 level.
okay?
Okay, so it's not a very basic level. Basic level we can cover in 20 hours, but we are going to cover almost 60 hours. Okay, complete advanced level. Only except performance tuning, remaining all the things we are going to learn completely end to end.
Okay, Sanmuk.
Yes. Any other questions, guys, please? We have 5 minutes time. The meeting will be closed automatically. If you have any questions, you can ask me in this 5 minutes. Otherwise, we'll connect in the evening again at 7 p.m. Bro, any weekday classes? No, no admin. I don't know who is this admin, but no weekday classes for SQL DBA. Till last batch, I used to take weekday classes only, but because of my shift, okay, I am unable to take weekday classes for the next 2-3 months. Later, I might take weekday classes, but I'm not sure. But this batch especially is for weekends only.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, so will you be covering the course of this training session, both the SQL and the Azure?
I'm going to cover SQL DBA initially. Okay, so once this is completed, then Azure SQL DBA classes are going to start.
Now, I was asking about the fees, the cost.
I'm going to update you. The cost and all I'm going to update you. Okay,
Okay,
that will be
thanks.
updated. Yeah, just I guess you have my number, right?
I do, yeah, but some of my colleagues couldn't join because of the timing. It's already
Okay.
12 midnight, 12 a.m. here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to, yes, I'm going to update you, Kola. Yes, we are communicating, right? I'm going to update you on this. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Yes, I'm expecting a lot of questions from you. So is this domain is in demand forever? Yes, Lakshman. Forever it will be in demand. Okay. So once you are good in SQL DBA, please mute it. Please mute it. Please mute it. Yes. Okay. So once you are good in SQL DBA, once you completed the SQL DBA training, after that you are going to learn Azure SQL DBA, right? So if you are good in Azure SQL DBA also for the next 10 years, happily you can be in this technology. Later also you can be in this technology. Azure means it's a continuously, okay, what we can say, like our application, we are going to use the WhatsApp, right? So WhatsApp will be updated very regularly. PhonePe will be updated very regularly. Automatically it will be updated, guys. The same way, once you are entered into the Azure platform or cloud platform, unknowingly you are going to be upgraded by yourself, guys. Okay, so definitely I'm sure, okay, this domain is in demand forever. Yes, please. Any other questions?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir,
Yes.
the activities which we are performing on premises will be the same on Azure.
Yes, same if you choose yes. Okay.
Okay.
I told you right in the organization, depends upon the organization requirements. Some people will choose yes, some people will choose pass, SAS and all. If you choose yes, yes, as it is same kind of activities will be there. If you choose pass and SAS, yes, there are some changes will be there.
Is it major changes or minor changes? If
Major changes. Features, the features are going to be different, but the underlying architecture is same.
concept will be same.
Concept will be same. The way you are doing is different.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes, please. Any other questions? Any questions, guys? No questions. I'm expecting a lot of questions, guys. We have only 1.5 minute time. So
Sir, is there any SSIS, SSAS,
okay,
SSRS?
very good question. I don't cover as BI tools, business intelligence tools, business intelligence development studio. We'll call it as BI tools like SSRS, reporting services, analysis services, and integration services. So usually, yes, as a DBA, they will ask you, do you have any knowledge on integration services, reporting services, and all. That's very common. They will ask that question. Tell them, I'm going to tell you how you have to handle that question. Tell them that yes, I can install the components, I can configure the components, but I never worked on this BI components. You can tell them directly in the meeting. In our sessions also, BIDS is a complete course which will take 2-3 months. That is a separate stream for business analysts and all. So we are not going to cover any BI concepts and all. Just I will show you how to install BI components, reporting services, integration services, and analysis services. Guys, the meeting is going to close now. I guess if you don't have any questions, that's fine. If you have questions, still you can reach me in my WhatsApp. I hope you have my number. Okay, so okay, let me tell you this again. 9902590140. This is my number, guys. If you don't have, if you are connecting from different platforms, please use this number to communicate with me, and definitely we'll discuss if you have any other doubts.
Sir, could you please share the course content?
Please
About
ping
us?
me in the WhatsApp. Please ping me in the WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys? It will be closed automatically. If no questions, thank you for your time. Let's connect again in the evening. Okay. Thank